I'm here at the Tampa Convention Center home show, and I've been walking around and I've noticed there's other water companies that have similar filtration systems. Can you tell me how yours is different?
Sure. All of us, we pretty much all look alike simply because we all utilize the same type of housing structures for our filters. But not all filters are created equal. Inside of one of these tanks, you can have either just a water softener, which is simply an ion exchange resin filter, or you can have additional filters for purification. And in a South Florida water system, we call ours the KDFAquafil system, and we actually have a series of purification filters in here. We have a rod that goes down the center. It's a bacteriostat rod called a KDF Campro, and that removes the chlorine from your water. It's an oxidizer, and it also removes metals from your water. And then your water comes up through an ion exchange resin filter, and this resin filter, what it does is it removes the minerals from your water, and then the last filter is a carbon filter, and that makes your water taste really good. And it's a special carbon because it's designed to remove chloramines from your water, which is ammonia. And we have a few different types of systems. We have this cabinet system. This is an all-in-one system, and salt goes in the front, and your filters are located in the back. And on the top of this cabinet is the valve. And the valve is primarily the brain of the system. What it's designed to do is this will automatically backwash. It's the demand metered system, so there's no water waste at all. This will go according to your demand. If you have a lot of company in your house one week, this might backwash twice that week. If it's just two of you, it may only backwash once a week. It goes according to your water consumption. And then this is just a little bit larger model, as this has a little bit more capacity. So this may make it to where your system doesn't have to backwash quite as often. And this is a salt container. It's called a brine tank. And your salt goes in here. And the only reason we use salt for a water conditioning or water softening system is the salt rinses the filter clean. It rinses the minerals off the filter. We don't actually add salt to your water.
How much salt do you use? There's two of us in our family. How much salt would we go through on average, I guess I would ask?
For a household of 2 people, you will average 1 bag of salt a month. That's a 40-pound bag, and 1 bag a month. So you're looking at roughly $60 a year. And this is something you don't have to go out monthly and add salt. You can every 3 months go out and add 3 bags, or every 5 months add 5 bags. So it doesn't have to be a monthly chore.
Do these systems go outside, or are they put in the house? Where do you locate these systems?
What we do is many of them are in utility rooms, like these cabinets here. A lot of people have them in utility rooms. Many people have them in their garage, and many people have them alongside their homes. It depends on how your house is plumbed, where your water source is coming into your house. At my particular home, my water is coming in the opposite end of where my garage is. Therefore, my system sets outside alongside my home. But my previous home, I was able to put it in the garage because my water source came up alongside the garage. So we just plumbed it through the wall, and we had this cabinet system, and it set inside the garage, and it was perfect.
So if we were to purchase this system, then we probably, our dishes would look better, and maybe my hair or skin wouldn't be so dry. Is that the idea?
These systems are totally awesome. What they'll do for you is they'll not only deliver spot-free dishes, spot-free showers, but at the same time they're going to deliver very high-quality drinking water. We will remove all the chlorine from your water, the chloramines, which is ammonia. We remove all that from your water. Lead, mercury, arsenic, metals. We take all that out of your water, and then everything in your house stays very clean, any water-using appliance. So there's some huge advantages to this system. When you're taking a shower, it's a chlorine-free rinse. And when you're making a pot of coffee, it'll be the best tasting coffee you've ever had, simply because it's pure water and it's not full of chemicals.
And so I'll be able to drink it then, you're saying?
Absolutely, from any faucet in your home.
Okay, great. I see on the sign behind you it says no salt backwashing system. Is that another system that I could find located on your website?
Yes, you sure can. We specialize in salt-free conditioning as well, and that works a little differently. It's a very impressive system as well. So you can see that if you go to our website, www.s.sflwater.com. Our South Florida Water website, we feature all of our filtration systems. We actually have video telling you a little bit about each system and how they work, and we have video telling you the difference between a salt-free system versus one that uses salt. And we go into detail, and you'll have a thorough understanding and be able to make an informed decision.
Okay, so that's sflwater.com.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.